Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Premier continues to claim that the review undertaken by the Health Quality Council into, among other things, the ability of doctors to advocate for their patients, is free from government intimidation, is entirely independent, and is an arm's length from the government. My questions are to the Premier. Who funds the Alberta Health Quality Council?
The Honourable Minister. The Honourable Premier reports.
The Alberta taxpayer.
The Honourable Member.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Premier, it's Alberta Health Services that funds it. Mr. Premier, are you honestly saying that having the Health Quality Council investigate Alberta Health Service is truly an independent arm-length review when the Council is entirely funded by the very people they are being asked to investigate? How can you say that, Premier?
The Honourable Premier.
Mr. Speaker, the last time I looked at our budget, Alberta Health Services, all physicians, all doctors, anybody working in public health care is supported by the provincial taxpayer. Also, all people working in justice, all judges are all paid for by the Alberta taxpayer.
Exactly.
So naive.
What a joke.
Mr. Premier, taxpayers want to know the answers.
Yeah.
Given that Section 16.1 of the Health Quality Council regulation states, the Council is accountable to the Minister for the matters in which it exercises its powers. How can you, Mr. Premier, look into the faces of Albertans and tell them that the review is independent when the Council reports directly to the very Minister that it may be investigating?
One thing that they fail to mention, that in the public inquiry, it'll be the minister that would be drafting the terms of reference. You know, it's always those little bits of information that don't come forward in this assembly. I have great confidence in the Health Quality Council to do a thorough review. They did. They wrote the terms of reference. They're very rigorous. They're very robust, and I'm looking forward to the interim report.
Exactly.